Hello everyone, welcoming all to manifestingdreamagency.com. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manifest a text instantly from a specific person. Excited? I'm sure you are. So are you guys ready? If yes, comment below as ready. As you know that in my every video, I begin every law of attractions technique by breathing. Trust me guys, this is a wonderful method which can help you to calm your mind. As we all are the working professionals these days, there will be lots of pressures from our personal as well as from our professional life. So, it's very important for us to balance both. In order to manifest anything into our life, we need to be more relaxed, more stress-free, and moreover, we have to be focused. So, what this breathing exercise does means it maintains our body, our mind to be stress-free, relaxed and remain as more focused. So, how to do this breathing exercise? Find a place in your apartment where no one can disturb you at least for half an hour. Then what you have to do is you have to inhale deeply and then exhale slowly. Again you inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly. Repeat this until you feel relaxed. All you need is to repeat this unless and until you become more and more relaxed. Remember, law of attraction always works when you are relaxed. When you are relaxed, you can increase your vibration. So this is our step number 2, that is raising the vibration. Okay, moving on to the step number 2, how to raise our vibrations, right? So you might be asking me, what has this raising vibrations related to the manifestation process, right? So let me give an example. When we feel low, what happens is we always focus on our problems, right? You should understand that in law of attraction, what technique works is the like always attracts like. For example, if you are attracting harmony, then everywhere you will see harmony only. If you are attracting or if you feel sad means everywhere you can feel the fear, sad, anxiety and all these things. So, in your second step, you need to increase the vibration. Forget the current reality. Forget the current reality that that person is not talking with you, that person has blocked you or whatever, he has moved to the different girl or different man, whatever it is. So forget the current reality that you or he has blocked you, you both are not talking towards each other. It's okay. Believe that universe will give you everything it wanted. Just believe that if your ex has stopped calling you or texting you, you have to think like this. It's only me who can make him call or text. You have to think like that. You need not ask your friends to do or any other recommendation. You have to keep this thing feeling in your mind that it's only me who is going to make him text or to call him. How? By changing your own perception about yourself. You are the creator of your life where you can decide exactly how other person needs to respond. Not believing me? Okay, just use this technique and see the magic. So how to increase the vibration? So you can increase the vibration by doing the things that makes you feel happy. You can concentrate more on the job you are currently doing. You can go for any grocery shopping or go for any do any laundry or clean your house or go to a spa, hang out with your friends and family, chat with them. So you will remain happy and see good movies. Don't see such movies that can make you cry or listens to such songs that can make you cry or remember of his lack or her lack. No, you have to make that person, you have to feel that that person is with me. You have to see some romantic movies in which you both are becoming very happy, the hero and heroine united. Such movies you can see. So all these things, this increases our vibration. And when we increase our vibration, whatever you are manifesting, that will be definitely manifested. And this is the law of attraction. This is the rule of law of attraction. The law of attraction always works when you're happy, when you're not when you're sad, when you're happy, when you're very joyful. All these times, the law of attraction will work instantly 100% it will can definitely work for you. But when you are practicing this law of attraction in a very creepy neediness with all these things, no, this law of attraction will never work, because the rule of law of attraction is like attracts like. What you want, you have to attract that. What you are in the state of mind, if you are in the state of mind of happiness, then law of attraction will give you the state of happiness. If you are in the state of needy of something, then law of attraction won't give you that. So understood, no? So what we have to do is we have to raise our vibration, and in order to raise the vibration, you can do what and all things that can make you happy. So the first one is breathing. After the second one is raising your vibration, and the third one, in the third one, no, that is the most craziest thing that I have ever done in my life. I don't know whether you will believe this or not, but believe me guys, this works 100%. So in third method, all you need to do is you just need to pick up your phone. I know that now in these days, we all may be having two phones, because we all are buying the new trendy phones. If you are someone who doesn't have the other phone, I request you to take it from your family members, either your parents or your siblings or some other person who is ready to give you the phone. It's very simple. You need not do anything fancy or this fantasy over here. What you need to do is you just need to copy his or her number into the other cell. Okay, the first step is you need a cell phone. The second method is you need to copy his or her phone number into the other cell. What and all you have written in that in your phone as in the contact, the same thing has to be happen in this phone also. And now what you need to do is you need to message from this phone, that is the other phone which you are having, from the other phone to this phone to the other phone, saying, "Hi, how are you? I'm so happy that you messaged me." Something you text in between one phone to the other phone, which and all you wanted to say. "I missed you a lot these days. How are you? Did you had your lunch or had your breakfast? Can we go out for a dinner?" Something like that you ask from this phone to the other phone. You have to fake it. Okay, you have to fake it. You have to fake as if it is there in your life right now. You have to act as if it is there for you. Then trust me guys, this work wonder, and I'm sure that you can manifest your ex or the specific person into your life instantly. This is the ultimate rule. This is the ultimate rule. This is the, I can say that, the only one rule in which you can manifest your ex instantly like a magic. Okay, understood this method? The fourth method is letting go. I know that the letting go in manifestation process, whenever I say this method, this is the most difficult method that many of you has come across. That is, we love a person so deeply and we cannot even think about that person. Yeah, I know that. It's like giving a punishment to the persons, right? I can understand this. Why I'm saying you to let go of this thing is, whenever we are thinking of a person so much, no, a lot of negative thoughts will come and knock our mind. So whenever this negative vibration is increasing, we know that our law of attraction fails over there. So we just need to remain positive. We have to think that yes, he is coming to marry me, or he has proposed me, or he is calling me. Just bring all those good emotions into your mind. Just bring all those things. Just think that your ex has called you, your ex is calling you, he is texting you now, you both are having a very happy life. So do this thing in order to having a positive vibration in you. That's the reason why I'm asking you to let go, because when we continuously think of something, we are creating an energy of lack. Here we don't want to create an energy of lack. What we need to create is an energy of prosperity or energy of abundance over here. We need to make the universe feel that yes, this person is already there in that person's life. We need to make the universe what you can say fool the universe with this method. And I'm sure that by using this 4 steps, you can get a message from your ex or the specific person instantly like a magic. Comment below if you agree with me, and please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and also to say your success story. Bye bye.